So we are going to head out today and do a ride. We are researching an old ride from edition 1 of SEQ Northern New South Wales book, and we're going to check it out again because since we rode it, Cyclone Debbie came through, and so we just want to go and see what it's like now. So this is our best of all lookout ride down the Gold Coast. So we're going to go out and have a fun day and check it out for you. See you soon. Okay, so we've just come up to Best of All Lookout. That road coming up is awesome. Quite steep in parts, 17% incline, but so beautiful. See you soon.